everyone and welcome to Vaisu's Daily Beat.
Yes. Namaskaram everyone. This is Vaishak and welcome to the Daily V. Namaskaram everyone. So woke up a bit early. It's 5 a.m. because Saramaka wants to meet early in the morning. Oh, so here I am. So we'll do my practices and then go and take some videos. Okay, to be very truthful, I'm feeling a very lethargic after yesterday's too much non-veg practices. Also, I was a bit sleepy. So today, more fruits and juice. Today no masala dosha. Today is aloo parota. It looks very yummy with curd and pickle. So let's try. This is, you have to take a little bit, dip it in, and it's actually very yummy. I think I think many people have it with pickle. I personally don't have it with pickle, but today maybe I'll try. So pickle. Let's see how it is. Curd is good, not pickle. In my opinion, curd is good, not pickle. Hey everyone, I'm at Cubon Park. I'm waiting for Sanamaka. She's very late. Very late. Hatha Yoga teachers are not following timetable. So in the meantime, let me show you the toy with which I used to play when I was a kid. See my toy, very small toy. I later donated it to the Indian government, but they put it over here. What is happening? Sanamaka with her Ferrari. Okay, now you can go. Red Ferrari. Okay, we are with Sanamaka, who is more punctual than Kanika. Please talk about your horn.
Namaskaram everyone and welcome to Vaisu's Daily Beat.
Yes.
Today, right now, we're here after a very interesting day. We're finally here at home now. This is my little home studio where I teach. And I've been teaching since we started in 2017. So few people come in, and I like to do my private sessions here. And I think it's a very cute space. It's kind of done up in a way. There's a projector.
Yo, high five. Where did you get the lights from?
This is all my mom's doing. Actually, this room was not supposed to be a studio. It was supposed to be a chill out zone for my family. But I've hijacked
Hatha
it.
Yogi hijacked.
Yeah, I just said, no, I'm teaching here. I need this space. So that's why we didn't get any furniture. We didn't do anything over here. But it works lovely. You can see on that side, it's pretty open. And in the morning, it's just, there are a lot of birds and nature, and it's just beautiful. So sometimes I do my practices outside as well, and I like to use this space to do my sadhana as well. So,
And please talk about my apple pudding which you burned.
Yeah. So I've never burnt this. I made Vaisuana apple crumble yesterday.
You promised.
I promised. I made it. I did make it. But there has been for some weird reason, even now when we were recording, the lights have been coming and going in this building since yesterday. And
Did you plan it to tell me that that's why the apple?
yeah. And I burnt it twice, not just once, twice. It got burnt. But I think I fixed it, so I'm still going to make you eat it.
Okay.
You better like it.
Okay, thank you. Yes. Okay, so today we are at BJP. What does BJP stand for?
Namaskaram, Bharatiya Jalpan.
Yes. So you need to give sweet review.
Of course.
Yeah. Hatsanaga has all the sweet, awesome places.
I know what Vaishona likes.
Where are we sitting? See, Isha fan carrying Yogeshwara Linga bottle. Say no to mineral water. Once more, we have Archanaka with her favorite dishes.
Namaskaram. My favorite dishes are biryani actually, like Vaishwana. Since I had it in the afternoon, we've come to a chaat place. The place is called Bharatiya Jalpan in Bangalore. And the dishes we've ordered are masala puri. And Anna is wanting to taste ragda puri, and I'm not sure what that is. And this is desi ghee
Where is the
jalebi.
rabdi?
Malai cham cham is on the way and some
Oh.
rabdi on the way. And kullar chai, Anna, how can you forget
Yes.
kullar chai? So we're gonna have a feast.
Tasting.
Anna, your video also now.
I'll taste.
Yes, please.
What is this called?
The ragda puri.
Okay, let's try the rabda puri. What is this thing called on top? What is it called?
Om puri. That is in our language, yeah.
What om puri?
Some save actually.
Very nice and very yum.
You like it, Anna?
Like it's spicy
Yeah.
also.
Okay.
Now you taste that one and tell.
This is a common dish here.
Okay.
Masala puri. I'm going to say the jalebi.
Oh, jalebi also now. Okay, going alternate. So this is the crispy jalebi, the orange one. This is called jangiri, right? But
No, this is jalebi.
jalebi only.
Jangri is the one which looks like Malayalam alphabets. Yeah.
Actually,
This is jalebi.
in Kerala we have the softer one, which is orange. We call that jalebi.
Okay.
Yeah, but that is jangri actually in Kerala. What we call jalebi is jangri.
This is a North Indian dish, yes. Sweet.
This is very nice. The very thing about this is you should have it hot. Then only it's very crispy and this is very like
And
a
it's
warm.
made with ghee.
Okay, we have Archanaka's Yulu bikes. Can you talk about what they are? Then just show them.
These are the cool Yulu bikes. They're called Miracles. So they are EVs, eco-friendly bikes, electric bikes, non-motorized vehicles. They're all... So Bangalore is Yulu-fied. So Bangalore is Yulu-fied, I would say. So let's see how they work,
Yeah.
how cool they are. Let me show you the app first. This is the Yulu app. And this is how you unlock a bike.
High tech.
Okay, now the bike is unlocked.
Okay.
Anna, you wanna try
Now you
it?
have to ride and show.
Of course.
I'll keep your mobile.
Wrong bike, I am.
Come on. Iron lady. Oh, light is there.
Yeah. Anna, you wanna try it?
Okay, you try it and show me first.
These are the cool miracles. They're called miracles. And I work here. Of course, I will talk good about the bike.
Right. Oh, don't fall down, huh? I don't want to kill the HR of this company.
Let me ride.
Okay, from there I will drive back.
Yes, please. Now we have a cool Vaishu Anna riding the cool miracle.
Yeah, this is very nice. Oh. This is actually fast, huh?
Yes, it is.
Actually very cool.
Of
It's
course.
very nice. How much is the charge? Like
I'm
for the
glad you liked it, Anna.
How much does it charge for a person to get this? How much does it take for a person to, rent this?
1 rupee per minute.
1 rupee per minute.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And 30 minutes if you ride, we charge 20 rupees. So there are a lot of saver packs also.
Oh.
Do try Yulu if you're in Mumbai, Delhi, Bhubaneswar, Pune and Bangalore.
Oh, okay. Namaskaram everyone. We are with Abhinay Akka at her yoga class. Namaskaram Akka.
Namaskar, Vinas. So this is one of the places where I take class. It's in HSR layout. I love this hall. You can see it's nicely
We have
set
an
up for the.
old picture of Sadhguru.
Yes, and I love this picture. I don't want to change it. It's quite intense, right?
Yes.
A different avatar of Sadhguru. Like. And this is where I take classes in HSR, and I welcome you to the class. And I do classes in different parts of Bangalore. So please reach out if you would like to learn any Hatha Yoga practice. Thank you.
Look at what Abhinay Akka gave me. Chocolate. So if you want to contact Abhinayaka, you can message Yogalaya, the contact number, Hatha Yoga, and all these are there. We have Deepankar Anna. Say Jai Ho Yasam.
नमस्कार।
कैसे हो दीपंकर अन्ना?
बहुत अच्छा। आप
आज हिंदी वीडियो देंगे?
देंगे
नहीं देंगे, आज हम मस्ती करेंगे,
क्या हुआ?
फूड रिव्यू करेंगे।
आपने मुझ जो बना लिया। तो ये है खूबसूरत सा छोले कुलचे। तो बेसिकली ये दिल्ली में मिलता है, लेकिन अभी बैंगलोर में भी आ चुका है।
This is your favorite place?
वन ऑफ द फेवरेट आई कैन।
500 रुपीज छोले कुलचे।
अभी पुलिस को दिया है ना हम लोग ने 500। अच्छा ठीक है।
ये 500 रुपए का छोले कुलचे है। बहुत बढ़िया। So me and Deepankar Anna got caught by police. No emission certificate. This fool. He told me don't take car. We won't be able to find parking. Police will catch, and this stupid fellow scooter got caught. Very good, very good.
चलो अभी थोड़ा छोले कुलचे का मजा लिया जाए।
हम अपना डिप्रेशन छोले कुलचे खाकर खत्म करते हैं।
देखिए ये खूबसूरत सा छोले कुलचे।
बहुत नाइंसाफी है।
जल्दी अपलोड कीजिएगा।
Eat and say review.
ये है HSR लेआउट 27 मेन में बैंगलोर। आने से जरूर खाइएगा आप लोग।
पर पोल्यूशन सर्टिफिकेट लेके आइएगा।
सुबह का साधना कीजिए, शाम को आके खाइए। बढ़िया है।
बढ़िया है। Okay, so if you see this handi, that means this is chole kulche, right? What is the specialty of this handi? हाँ भैया, क्या है इस हंडी का स्पेशलिटी? इसमें क्या है? इसमें क्या?
इसमें छोले रहता है।
इसमें छोले रहता है।
तो ये है, थोड़ा करीबी से दिखाओ यार, वो है छोले। बड़ा
महंगा है। बड़ा महंगा है। पर महंगा है।
महंगा
दीपंकर अन्ना के लिए।
ये महंगा ऐसे प्लेट में महंगा नहीं है। इसने पकड़ लिया था हमें। वहाँ खड़े हैं तो हेलमेट पहन के आइएगा।
दीपंकर अन्ना हमें नेचुरल्स ले जा रहे हैं। क्या ये बरीटो, कैलिफोर्निया बरीटो नहीं खाने का मुझे।
तो हम लोग अभी नेचुरल्स आए हैं HSR लेआउट पे। ये मैकडी सिग्नल से बहुत ही करीब है। हम लोग जा रहे हैं और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि जो हम लोग फ्लेवर खाने वाले हैं वैशाख अन्ना को अच्छा लगेगा।
नारियल का फ्लेवर है ना, हमारा केरला फ्लेवर हमें ही खिला रहा है।
टेंडर कोकोनट 035।
The seating is good. It's like bricks kept over here.
Yeah, we'll sit there, no? Oh, टेंडर कोकोनट। चौपट में मीठे दिन आ रहा है। कौन सा है टेंडर कोकोनट? कौन सा
वही है।
ये वाला है टेंडर कोकोनट।
खाओ रिव्यू।
तो ये नेचुरल्स का स्पेशल फ्लेवर है टेंडर कोकोनट।
स्पेशल फ्लेवर ऑफ नेचुरल्स इट्स टेंडर कोकोनट।
एंड आप जब खाओगे तो इस पे आपको कोकोनट, मतलब टेंडर कोकोनट जो होता है ना, वो वाला मिलेगा आपको।
मैं बोलता हूँ अरे शिट मास्क। केरला का याद आ गया।
टेंडर कोकोनट आपको मिलेगा छोटे छोटे क्यूब के ज़रा। मज़ा आता है खा के।